I hate to tell you this, girl, but I'm gonna just give it to you straight. You're posting the wrong type of YouTube videos on your YouTube channel. And this is why your channel is stagnant. This is why you're not seeing the growth that you're looking for. This is why your channel is not doing what you want it to do, okay? And I'm gonna tell you in this video exactly how you can fix it and help you pinpoint some different things that you may be posting on your channel that you might want to have to go and get rid of, okay? So keep watching. Of course, my name is LaShonda Smith and I'm a content creator and content strategist, and I help you with growing your YouTube channel and hitting your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So girl, if we're gonna hit these numbers, we have to fix the problem so that we can make our channel do what it's supposed to do. So I have my notes right here, so you may see me kind of look to the side here and there because I ain't editing it out. But the very first thing that you need to make sure that you stop doing, if you're already doing this, I'm gonna tell you what to do, but stop posting those live streams on your YouTube channel, okay? This is not a digital storage room. This is not a place where you can repurpose your live videos. This is the biggest mistake that I see so many new creators make. They start this YouTube channel and you're so used to going live on maybe Instagram or Facebook, and you're like, oh, well, I have a YouTube channel. Let me post these live streams on my YouTube channel so that other people can see them. They're not interested in your live videos. I hate to tell you, but they are not going to perform well on YouTube. If anything, if you're going to produce live content on your channel, you want to go live on the actual platform. And I don't even recommend you do that at the beginning stages of your YouTube journey because girl, ain't nobody gonna care at the beginning. They are not willing to give you an hour of their time to watch your live. And I want you to understand from this perspective specifically, YouTube is a different platform when it comes to how people consume your content. Normally people are looking for a little bit more polished content. They're definitely looking for something that's going to be edited straight to the point and really just give them the information that they're looking for. People that watch live streams are already kind of invested in your brand and business. One of the reasons why live streams doesn't really work well on the platform, especially for new creators, is because you're basically asking someone to watch you for an hour or 45 minutes talking about something and they don't know you yet. So they may give you 10 minutes, but they're not going to give you 30 or 40 or an hour. So you want to make sure that you're creating video content specifically for the YouTube platform. There's two more things that you need to eliminate posting on your YouTube channel if you are in the beginning stages. The second thing that I want to talk about is vlogs. Now, there is a time and a place for you to add vlog content onto your YouTube channel. Even for me, I plan on vlogging on this educational YouTube channel, but at the beginning stages, you need to give them the meat of what your channel is about. When you think about a vlog, people watch vlogs from other creators who they already know, like, and trust. And you have not had the opportunity to build out your audience enough for people to care about what you do day to day. So a lot of creators, they end up struggling because they're creating a YouTube channel and they're only producing vlogs. And it's like a day in the life of this, or how I do this, or, you know, me going to do this. And girl, don't nobody care. Don't nobody care. Okay. And I hate to say it, but I'm gonna be real. Like, don't nobody really care about what you're doing every day. They only begin to care when you've built a little bit of influence and you've provided enough value for people to be like, oh, I really like this girl. Let me see what else she does. Like, what does she do on a day-to-day? I want to follow her. I want to learn more about her. Then that's when vlogs really work on your platform. But if you're only building out your YouTube channel from vlogs, you're going to struggle a little bit. I hate to say it, but it's going to be rough out there in the streets. And the last thing, and this one is going to be controversial. Every time I talk about it, people give me pushback, but I'm going to say it anyway. Okay, because I want you to win. We here to win. And if you want the blueprint, I'm trying to give it to you. YouTube Shorts. Let's talk about YouTube Shorts, y'all. YouTube Shorts is not the way. And you will hear conflicting advice when it comes to this. A lot of the big YouTube creators and YouTube gurus are very well pushing the YouTube Shorts. I have heard them do it myself. And I am telling you, avoid YouTube Shorts. And I'm going to tell you why. The issue that I have with YouTube Shorts is the fact that you are targeting two separate audiences. And if you do not have a team behind you to accommodate you creating and producing 2 different types of content for your channel, and you don't plan on consistently posting YouTube shorts as one of your primary ways of talking to your audience, then you are essentially wasting your time, because this is what's going to happen. I have seen it happen so many times, and I'm just like, every time I hear someone talk about them growing with YouTube shorts, I kind of cringe a little bit, because I know they're going to have to circle back. So you'll be posting shorts, you may post a little bit of long form video content, and you might already experience this. If you've experienced what I'm talking about, I want you to drop in the comments your experience with growing or trying to grow your channel with YouTube shorts, okay? You'll get the views. You will get the views. You will even get the subscribers. And let's say you have a YouTube short go viral, and this viral video gives you 5,000 new YouTube subscribers. The video may have, like, let's just say 100,000 views or something. Like, pick the number, it doesn't really matter. You have a couple YouTube shorts, they go viral, they grow your channel, but they're still crickets when it comes to your long form videos. So if you have 5,000 YouTube subscribers, you would think that you're averaging you're averaging around 500, maybe even 1,000 views on your YouTube videos on average. If you're at 5,000 YouTube subscribers, there's absolutely no reason for you to have 5,000 YouTube subscribers and you're only getting 50 views on your long form videos. So one of the major issues with YouTube Shorts is the fact that the audience does not really cross-pollinate. They don't cross-pollinate, and there has been multiple different stats that have come up from bigger creators that have shown that people that watch their YouTube Shorts only watch their YouTube Shorts, and people that watch their long-form videos only watch their long-form videos. So that's why I say that you're targeting 2 different people, and if you are trying to grow a branding business with a large, loyal community around your YouTube channel, I would focus on long form videos, because with YouTube Shorts, they are there for entertainment. They are there because they are bored. They're scrolling. They're not actively looking for specific creators to watch their content. When it comes to shorts, their behavior is just completely different. Versus with long form videos, someone may stumble across your channel from their home feed, and if they like you, because you give them the opportunity to like you when you talk for a longer period of time, you give them the ability to get that know, like, and trust factor with you. And what will happen is, from your long form videos, those people who subscribe will be more loyal to your content and your brand versus the same people who subscribe who found you on a YouTube short. That's my opinion. That's my perspective from what I'm seeing happening. I know for me, I want to build a loyal community around my brand and business, and I want people to actively be looking for LaShonda Smith whenever they come on YouTube. They want to check in, see what I've posted, see if I posted a vlog, or see if I posted anything more educational. I've never done that with a YouTube short or with any type of short form content. Half the time, I don't even know their name. I might like their content, but I could never find them if I wanted to, because I don't know their name, because I'm not as invested as the people who I actively and consistently watch their long form videos on YouTube. So that's a whole rant. You could take that with a grain of salt how you want. So here's how you fix your channel. If you like, girl, I've been posting the shorts, my channel is full of vlogs, and I definitely got live streams on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna tell you how to fix it. You're gonna have to unlist some videos. You're going to have to unlist some videos. So the videos that I would suggest that you unlist on your channel are definitely your live streams. If you have live streams on your channel, I would recommend you unlist them. Now, what you can do, because you don't have to completely delete them, you can private them, whatever your preference. But there is a way that you can still utilize those live streams. Turn those into your free offers. Have those live streams as a part of your funnel. So whenever you're doing a YouTube video, you can tell them, hey, I have a masterclass or a webinar on this topic. Sign up in the description. So it's unlisted. You give them the link to whatever the video is after they give you their email. And now you're building your email list and you're still utilizing those live streams that you've done. So that's what I would do with your live streams. But I'm telling you, the issue is with that, as long as they're up on your YouTube channel, even if you start producing pre-recorded YouTube videos for your channel, anyone that tries to subscribe, they're going to be pushing those live streams on their homepage, and it's going to trigger the algorithm that they're not really interested in your channel because they're probably not going to click on the live streams. So we got to eliminate all the unnecessary stuff from our channel if we want to make sure that we give ourselves the best shot on this platform. The second thing that you could do to fix your channel is to start creating searchable content and content that is heavily focused on giving your audience value. I mean, like, you want to get straight to the point, provide the meat of what it is that you are on this platform for, because that is what is going to turn these people into your community and into your YouTube subscribers. But you also want to sprinkle a little personality in there too, because at the end of the day, there's so many YouTube creators and YouTube channels on the same type of topics, and you have to give them a reason to pick you over all the other people that are creating the same exact pieces of content. So the more you can sprinkle in your personality, the more you can kind of make it different from other pieces of content that's available on the platform, the better, and the more you're going to be able to grow your YouTube channel, even if you've made the other mistakes in the past. You also want to make sure that you're posting with intention and setting goals for each piece of content. We are not posting content with the intention on trying to go viral on YouTube. If it happens, that's great. But what's the point of you going viral on YouTube if you don't have any goals or any intention behind the pieces of content that you're putting out there? And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that you have call to actions in every single video, whether that is to subscribe or watch another video that you've already produced, or go into your business pipeline being your lead magnet or your low ticket offer, or maybe you have a signature offer that you can lead people to. Regardless of what it is, have intention. So if you have a digital ebook that is just collecting dust right now, make a few YouTube videos where you can promote that ebook, because if that video takes off and it hits $100,000, guess what your bank account is going to do? So post with intention. And if you've made it this far in a video and you like, girl, you got me, you're right, I do want to post with intention, I do need to fix my account, but I could use a little bit of help. What I would recommend you do is book my YouTube channel audit. I am now offering YouTube channel audits where I will actually look over your YouTube channel and give you real tips in reference to your specific industry and improve the quality of your channel and your channel's content. If you're interested in learning more about the YouTube channel audit, I will drop the link in the description box, as well as I will pin it in the comments below. Get the YouTube channel audit, y'all. If you're just like, girl, I need you to look over my page and tell me what to do, I got you. And the good thing is, for those that purchase the YouTube channel audit, you'll also get my YouTube content planners. So every single person that signs up for the YouTube channel audit, I'm going to give you the resource. This is one of the resources for you to be able to create better content and actually have a system in place to create this quality content. Just to name a few things that's included in this planner is I have a whole section to help you with your video titles. So it's basically like a cheat sheet that gives you a ton of different video title ideas, and you basically just plug in your industry or your niche's information and you can create content out of that. There's also a section for you to plan out your YouTube video ideas and do your YouTube scripts inside of the planner. So everything is in one place. And if you struggle with staying consistent on the YouTube platform, there's also an area for you to create your YouTube content calendar and stay on top of what needs to be posted and when these videos need to be going out. So that's just to name a few different things. Go ahead and sign up for the audit if that's something you're interested in. If not, then thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found this helpful. But until next time, bye.